it's Neil with NeilSarap Barbecue, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious turkey soup using your turkey leftovers. Let's get you moved over here to the stove and we'll show you how to get that started. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of kosher salt. We're going to add our turkey bones in. Turkey neck. Giblets. Alright, now that we've let this simmer for about 2 hours, we're going to go ahead and stir this a little bit, and then we're going to take and strain out all the bones. We'll pick out some of the loose meat, put it back in, and then we're going to add all of our fresh vegetables. Alright, so now we're going to strain off the soup. Alright, now we're going to add our carrots. We got a cup and a half of carrots, along with our 2 cloves of minced garlic. Got a cup and a half of celery and our onion. We're going to let this cook down for a little bit before we add some of our other. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of my Tasty Bark brisket rub. Alright, now we're going to add our turkey. I got about 2 cups that we got from the bones that we separated. I've got about 2 tablespoons of parsley and about 6 leaves of sage. Alright, now we're going to add another 2 cups of fresh turkey. Alright, last but not least, we're going to add our egg noodles. I'm just going to use the whole bag. Give that a stir. Alright, there we have it. That's turkey soup. Give it a shot here. That's like Mom used to make. Alright, so be sure to check out my other videos on my other turkey cooks that I did. I did a 3-part video, and we'll see you soon.